Greetings and gratitude to all. In continuation with Thoughts to Ponder series, today I am coming up with the topic Attention versus Thought. Today, in this video, I shall be highlighting the importance of attention over thought. Let me go straight to the topic. When I say attention, it is all inclusive by nature. Unlike concentration or focus, which is on a particular aspect. To pay attention to the inner self than the external world is the concept of our ancient teachings and culture, practiced during our Gurukul days, and it is through this path of paying attention that seekers like Buddha got enlightened and could experience life much beyond what most of the human beings could experience. On the other hand, in Western culture, more prominence is given to thought. They have even gone to the extent of saying that because I think, I exist, whereas in reality, only if you exist, you can think. With this, let me explain my point with few explanations. 1. Attention is all inclusive by nature, and wherever attention goes, energy flows and it grows. 2. To create a thought, one needs some memory or imagination. Hence, it is dependent on something, whereas to pay attention, nothing is required. It is an experience to be felt. 3. When one pays attention, one is in present and experiencing life at that very moment. Whereas, when you think, you are either in past due to memory or in future due to imagination, and in reality, rarely in present. 4. Even if one pays attention without any purpose, it will still increase one's awareness level, whereas thinking without purpose can lead to stress and affect one's emotional health. 5th, as attention is all inclusive by nature, it makes one disciplined. It also helps one to concentrate on a particular thing whenever it is required, whereas uncontrolled thoughts can make one wild. 6th, thinking can give one confidence due to acquired knowledge, but attention brings in clarity, and confidence without clarity is a disaster. This is well explained by me. You can see the sketch on the screen. Now, let me explain the point with few examples. Let's look at the first example. Whenever there is a problem outside, the solution is generally obtained by visiting the site of problem, so that one can pay attention and not by sitting at one place and thinking about it. As we all know, every problem has a solution within itself. For example, in engineering, they say to visit Gamba means the location or the site of problem. Similarly, you must have seen that the police always visit the site to investigate the crime. Similarly, for internal or for personal problems, one has to pay attention so that one can get clarity about it and solve the problem rather than just thinking about it, because too much of thinking will make the things still more worse. Let's look at another example. Suppose you give two people who know cooking to prepare a food dish with same ingredients and a detailed procedure to cook. What happens once the food is cooked? You will find different taste, even though the ingredients and the procedures were same. This is only because or difference in attention level between the two persons. The same difference you must have observed when you must have eaten shira, which is prepared as a regular food, and when it is prepared as a prasad. In order to experience the point that I am making, I request you to pay complete attention once in a while in your day-to-day activities and experience the difference in your awareness and perception level. The activities could be anything from bathing to eating or paying attention to things that you are using or observing around you. It could be like looking at a flower next to your house, or the surroundings where you may be taking walk, or paying attention to an ant moving, or birds singing, and so on. Like this, you can find several examples where attention plays a very important role in your life than just thinking. With this, I have made my point to ponder on the topic. This being the short video, I would like to close here with an earnest request. If you feel the video has added value or given you new perspective, then please spread the video in your group so that others can also take advantage of the same. Thanking you for your valuable time and wishing you better attention in all that you do in your life. See you again. Till then, take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally.